Today I'm going to show you some really cool weathering techniques that you can use on your props and your models while I build this really cool Star Wars replica blaster. And that starts right now. Okay everyone, this is the full reveal of the DL-44 blaster that Han Solo uses in the Star Wars films. It is 1/1 scale, printed in full resin and weathered by myself. The design is courtesy of the Star Wars Patreon from Wicked Art, and you can go over and check out the links at the bottom of the description and see what they have to offer and see if you see some designs that you like, and you can join their Patreon page. They do have 3 different Patreons, and this is fully removable from the stand. As you can see here, it is 1/1 scale. And we hope you enjoy the video, guys. Alright guys, so that's it. Man, this was a really fun build. I like doing some props and stuff like that. That's very enjoyable. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button right now, and make sure you go and subscribe to the page, as well as hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. So until next time everybody, stay safe and we'll see you.